This video is all about how to create comments in your report cards as the quarter quickly comes to an end. We're going to be talking about the most efficient way to enter those comments in the comment verification tab, and I'm going to show you how to create some comments in the comment bank to make yourself more efficient in creating those comments. Okay, so let's get right into it. Here I am at PowerTeacher Pro. I'm going to click into this grading tab, and down here at the third one down under grades is comment verification. Now you'll notice students are on the left-hand side and there is a space for you to enter your comments. Before I move any further, I want to make sure that I'm in quarter one. When you create your comments for quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, you always want to make sure you're in the correct quarter. So I'm going to go ahead and click next to the student of which I want to create a comment. You'll notice that that grade box comes up on the right-hand side. That's where you do all your data entry. In order to create your comment, you're going to click into this bubble, this speech bubble up at the right-hand side. So you click in there. Now you're ready to type in your comment. Let's see, Jasmine would benefit from additional practice with addition and subtraction facts. Okay, so let's say we like that comment and we're gonna let that be. When you're ready to advance to another student, you can toggle up here in the gray box at the right-hand side, or you can just click into another box that you want to work in. So before I move to the comment bank, I do want to point out that if you're an elementary teacher, it's a good idea to put your comments in the homeroom. However, if you're a secondary teacher or a middle school teacher, you're going to want to make sure that you have toggled over to the correct class before you do comments. You may be doing comments for 6 different periods. So you just want to make sure that you are getting into the right class before you actually do create those comments. For elementary school, homeroom is a perfect place to put your comments. Now, there is a comment log, and the place to find that comment log is in the settings, and it's actually called the comment bank. It's not called a comment log, excuse me. Let's go into the comment bank. I'm going to save those changes. In the comment bank, the district already has some comments created, and don't ask me why, but they're for science and social studies. So if you are a secondary or a middle school social studies or science teacher, you're ready to rock and roll. You have comments that you can choose from. Feel free to use those. The ones that you like, you can favorite, and then those will the ones that you favorite will automatically populate to that comment verification window so that you can easily get to them. Now, if you are an elementary teacher and those comments for science and social studies do not pertain to your teaching assignment, you can create your own personal comments. So I already made a comment. I said Jasmine will benefit from additional practice with addition and subtraction facts, which is actually a comment that could be used for many students. To make yourself more efficient, you can create those comments. So let's go ahead and create a comment, and I'll show you how it populates in comment verification window. Okay, so I'm going to add one here. Now, your comments need some kind of code. So I'm going to give this, I'm going to make a math comment. So I'm going to give it an M, and let's just name it MO2. Let's just say. Now you can create your own system for codes, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in my homeroom, and I'm going to favorite it, which is my preference. And now I'm going to start creating that comment. Now there is you can insert smart text, which would create the parameters for Power Teacher Pro to automatically populate the names, so you don't have to type the names. So let's just say I'm going to use the first name of the student, and I'm going to say would benefit from additional practice with addition and subtraction facts. Let's just say that. And then maybe also I want to say he or she, and because that's the beginning of the sentence, I chose the smart text with a capital. He or she is a pleasure to have in class. Let's just say that's my comment. I like it. I'm going to say save. Okay, now you can create as many personalized comments as you prefer with your own coding system. Before I leave here, I'm going to unfavorite these district comments because I'm not going to use those. So I'm going to unfavorite those comments. I'm going to make sure that the comment that I just created is favorited. And then I'm going to go back over to comment verification. And I'm going to get ready to add a new comment. I'm going to click into that talk bubble right at the upper right-hand corner. And I want to show the comment bank. I want to find the personalized comments that I just created. You see here that the district comments are coming up. You want to go into that gear there, and what you're probably going to want are your comments. So I'm going to toggle over to my comments. There's the comment that I just created. I want to use that one, so I'm going to click into the plus button, and there is the comment that I created from the bank. And then I can toggle down to the next student and continue creating comments. Okay, that's it for now.